Hey, Tom. You look happy today.
Hey, Sarah. I am. I just came back from lunch.
Lunch? Where did you go?
I went to that new Italian restaurant downtown.
Oh, the one near the park?
Yes, that one.
How was it?
It was amazing. The food, the service, everything.
Lucky you. I'm actually nervous about eating at restaurants here
Why? What's wrong?
because I don't know what to say in English. What if I order wrong? What if I don't understand the waiter?
Oh, don't worry. It's actually very easy.
Easy for you. You're confident.
Trust me, I was nervous too at first, but once you learn the basic phrases, it's simple.
Can you teach me, please?
Of course. Let's practice together.
Really? Thank you.
Okay, so imagine we're at a restaurant right now.
Okay.
I'll be the waiter, and you're the customer.
Okay, I'll try.
Great. Let's start. Good evening. Welcome to Bella Restaurant.
Oh, nervous. Good evening.
Table for one?
Yes, table for one.
Right this way, please. Here's your table. Please, have a seat.
Thank you.
Here is your menu. I'll be back in a few minutes to take your order.
Okay. Thank you.
See, that was great.
Really? I was so nervous.
You did perfect. Table for one and thank you. That's all you need at the beginning.
That was easy. What comes next?
Next, the waiter comes back to take your order. Let's continue.
Okay.
Are you ready to order?
Yes.
What would you like to drink?
I would like water?
Still water or sparkling water?
Still water?
Still water means regular water, not fizzy.
Oh, still water, please.
Perfect. And what would you like to eat?
I would like. Wait, what if I don't understand the menu?
Great question. Just ask. Say, can you recommend something?
Can you recommend something?
Of course. Our special today is grilled salmon with vegetables.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Perfect. You're doing great.
This is fun.
See? Not scary at all.
But wait, what if I want to ask questions about the food?
Like what?
Like, is it spicy? Is it vegetarian? Things like that.
Oh, good thinking. Let's practice those questions.
Okay.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'm interested in the pasta. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy. It's mild.
Good. Does it have meat?
Yes, it has chicken, but we can make it vegetarian if you like.
Oh, that's nice. Yes, vegetarian, please.
Perfect. See? Just ask. Waiters are happy to help.
You're right. I feel more confident now.
Good. Let's practice more phrases. Repeat after me.
Okay.
Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I'll have the chicken salad.
I'll have the chicken salad.
Is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy?
Can I have extra bread?
Can I have extra bread?
Excellent. You're getting it.
I'm learning.
Now, let's talk about during the meal. The waiter might come and ask questions.
Like what?
How is everything? Is your food okay?
Oh, it's delicious. Thank you.
Would you like anything else? More water? More bread?
Yes, more water, please.
Perfect. Simple and polite.
What if something is wrong with the food?
Ah, important question.
Yeah, like what if it's too salty or too cold?
Just say it politely. Excuse me, this is a bit too salty. Could you bring me another one?
That's polite?
Yes. Start with excuse me, explain the problem, and make a request. Easy.
Okay, let me try. Excuse me, this soup is a bit cold. Could you heat it up, please?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Of course. I'll bring you a hot one right away.
Thank you.
See? No problem.
I can do this.
Of course you can. Now, the hardest part.
What's the hardest part?
Asking for the bill.
Why is that hard?
Because some people are too shy to ask.
How do you ask?
Very simple. Just say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Can I have the bill, please?
Or you can say, "Could we get the check, please?"
Bill or check?
Both are correct. In America, people say check. In Britain, people say bill.
Oh, interesting.
But everyone understands both.
Good to know. Anything else?
Yes. Sometimes you can just make a writing gesture with your hand.
Like this?
Yes, exactly. Waiters understand that gesture everywhere.
International Sign Language.
Exactly.
Okay. What about paying?
When the waiter brings the bill, you have options.
Options?
Yes. You can pay by cash or card.
How do I say that?
You can ask, "Do you accept credit cards?"
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great. I'll pay by card.
Perfect.
What about tips? Do I need to tip?
Ah, tipping. Important topic.
How much should I tip?
Usually 10 to 20% of the bill. In America, 15 to 20%.
That much?
Yes, it's part of the culture there. In other countries, maybe 10% or no tip at all.
So it depends on the country?
Exactly. But when in doubt, 10 to 15% is safe.
Good to know.
And you can just leave the tip on the table or add it to the card payment.
Okay. Let's practice more phrases. I want to remember them.
Great idea. Repeat after me.
Ready.
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Keep the change.
Keep the change.
The food was delicious.
The food was delicious.
Thank you for the great service.
Thank you for the great service.
Excellent.
I feel ready now.
You are. Let's do one full practice from start to finish.
Okay, let's do it.
Good evening. Welcome. How many people?
Just one, please.
Right this way. Here's your table and your menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. Can you recommend something?
Our chef's special today is grilled fish with rice.
That sounds great. I'll have that. And a glass of orange juice, please.
Perfect. Here's your meal. Enjoy.
Thank you.
How is everything?
It's delicious. Thank you.
Wonderful. Would you like dessert?
What do you have?
We have chocolate cake, ice cream, and apple pie.
I'll have the chocolate cake, please.
Great choice. Here you are.
Thank you. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great. Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. The food was delicious. Have a great evening.
Perfect. You did it.
I did. That was easy.
See, I told you, not scary at all.
I was nervous for nothing.
Everyone is nervous at first, but with practice, it becomes natural.
You're a great teacher.
And you're a great student.
Now I want to go to a restaurant and practice for real.
You should. That's the best practice.
Will you come with me?
Of course. Let's go this weekend.
Deal.
Deal.
Okay, everyone. Let's review important words and phrases.
Word 1. Menu. The list of food and drinks at a restaurant. Can I see the menu, please?
Word 2. Recommend. To suggest something. What do you recommend?
Word 3. Order. To ask for food or drinks. Are you ready to order?
Word 4. Bill or check. The paper showing how much you need to pay. Can I have the bill, please?
Word 5. Tip. Extra money you give to the waiter for good service. I left a tip on the table.
Word 6. Spicy. Food with hot peppers. Makes your mouth burn. Is this dish spicy?
Now, useful restaurant phrases.
Phrase 1. Table for. Used to say how many people. Table for 2, please.
Phrase 2. I'll have. Used to order. I'll have the pasta.
Phrase 3. That sounds good. To show interest. Grilled fish? That sounds good.
Phrase 4. Keep the change. Tell the waiter to keep extra money as a tip. Here's $50. Keep the change.
Phrase 5. Excuse me. Polite way to get attention. Excuse me, could I have more water?
Phrase 6. Could you bring me? Polite request. Could you bring me another fork?
Now, practice time. Imagine you're at a restaurant. Answer these questions out loud.
Question 1. The waiter asks, how many people? What do you say?
Question 2. The waiter asks, what would you like to drink? What do you say?
Question 3. You want to know if the food is spicy. What do you ask?
Question 4. You finished eating. You want the bill. What do you say?
Great job practicing.
Tom, thank you so much for teaching me today.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
I feel so much more confident now.
You should. You did great.
Now eating at restaurants won't be scary.
Exactly. Just remember, waiters want to help you. They're friendly.
That's true. I was worried for nothing.
Most things we worry about are like that.
You're right.
So, everyone watching, don't be afraid. Go to a restaurant. Practice these phrases.
Start with simple things. Table for one. I'll have the soup. Thank you.
And smile. A smile is the same in every language.
That's true.
Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. People will understand.
Yes, making mistakes is part of learning.
Exactly.
Okay, everyone, in our next video, we'll practice English at the supermarket.
Another useful situation.
Don't forget to like this video,
Subscribe to Slow English Talk
practice these phrases before you go to a restaurant.
and let us know in the comments, what restaurant vocabulary do you want to learn?
We'll see you next time.
Happy eating.
Happy practicing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.